Yeah, rich, beautiful landscape, the huge garden. The water is very, very, very clean. Ice sculpture of a dragon. Decorations and a Chinese lantern. There is a Chinese restaurant. Swiss Spring Festival, I call it. 80 to 90% of our tourism destinations are already covered with Chinese payment methods. We have two kinds of and we call it fondue. It's made of cheese. And many of our destinations are really gearing up for the Spring Festival. So they have decorations everywhere. Now, of course, the theme for this year is the Year of the Dragon. Go up a mountain, take a beautiful picture, have a picnic, come back and go out to a concert or have a drink at a bar, everything together. Hello everybody, my name is Daniela Chiani. I'm the Director Greater China for Switzerland Tourism. I wish you everybody a Happy New Year, Long Yan Datsi, and don't forget to follow Roundtable China on your favorite podcast platform.